you doing, folks? I'm Jimmy from BlackCreekOutdoors.com. What we're trying to do this afternoon is show you how easy our Black Stump 2-man instant up tent is to erect and how fast it goes up. So if you just watch, we'll get with the program. Here we go. Just picture you pulled up to a campsite at the end of the day after a long day of riding. It's beginning to rain or it's already raining. Take the tent out of the bag. You've got to kind of line the straps up a little bit. Picture, if you will, if it had been raining hard, we had the tent out of the bag and set up. And if I'm just trying to get out of the rain, alright, I'm in and out of the rain, folks. Okay, what you've seen just now was the ease and speed at which you can set this tent up if you're in a hurry, you need to be in a hurry. For instance, like I say, if it's raining already when you get to your campsite. Now I'm going to show you the minor stuff you need to do to finish pegging it out, and we'll talk in a little bit. Taking out my ground cloth. I like to put a ground cloth under my tent, protects the bottom. The material I use is a landscaping fabric. Well, as you can see, I have my tarp set up now, my little portable table, my little Joey chair. This will essentially shield me from rain. I can be outside a little bit and enjoy my trip a little more. When I set my tarp up, depending on where winds are blowing from or what have you, I may set up set it up in a different way with 2 poles on these outside corners here, with the flap hanging down in front of me. Keeps wind from blowing in on me, what have you. But carrying a tarp along with a tent this size is a really good idea. If you get stuck somewhere, and I'm speaking from experience, when you're sitting somewhere for 2 days up in the mountains in pouring down rain with nothing to do or nowhere to go, it's not a bad idea to have a tarp sitting out to where you can relax a little more. It's kind of tough for old guys like myself to be in a tent that's only about 45 inches tall. Just an idea, take it for what it's worth. Something you might want to think about, a tent like this, if you haven't bought a tent yet, if you're looking for a new one, if you already have one, you probably had the experience, but a lot of those big box store tents you can buy for $35 to $60 or whatever, they look good on paper, but when it starts to rain, you'll be wishing you were home in bed. This particular tent, I have spent 2.5 days in pouring down rain in North Georgia in the mountains, and not my gear nor myself got wet during that time. It's a good sturdy tent. Look us up online, BlackCreekOutdoor.com or BlackCreekMotoCampingGear.com. Thanks a lot.